Avalanche value equivalent to $9.7458 a coin. The present reach: $9.4810, $9.8476. The earlier day close: $9.5402. The change was plus 0.2056, plus 2.16%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Avax. Avalanche value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost forecast for October 2023. To start with, cost at $9.24. Greatest cost $11.83, least cost $7.94. The normal for the month $9.84. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $10.35, change for October 12.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $10.35. Greatest cost $12.02, least cost $8.97. The normal for the month $10.64. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $11.23, change for November 8.5%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else, cost at $11.23. Most extreme cost $11.23, least cost $9.67. The normal for the month $10.63. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.40, change for December 7.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $10.40. Most extreme cost $10.40, least cost $8.13. The normal for the month $9.42. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.74, change for January 16.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else, cost at $8.74. Greatest cost $9.20, least cost $8. The normal for the month $8.64. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $8.60, change for February 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $8.60. Greatest cost $8.60, least cost $7.38. The normal for the month $8.13. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $7.94, change for spring 7.7%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $7.94. Most extreme cost $7.94, least cost $6.20. The normal for the month $7.19. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $6.67, change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with, cost at $6.67. Greatest cost $6.89, least cost $5.99. The normal for the month $6.50. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $6.44, change for May 3.4%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $6.44. Greatest cost $7.16, least cost $6.22. The normal for the month $6.63. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $6.69, change for June 3.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $6.69. Most extreme cost $6.69, least cost $5.39. The normal for the month $6.14. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $5.80, change for July 13.3%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $5.80. Most extreme cost $7.20, least cost $5.80. The normal for the month $6.38. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $6.73, change for August 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $6.73. Greatest cost $6.73, least cost $5.25. The normal for the month $6.09. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $5.65, change for September 16.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $5.65. Greatest cost $5.65, least cost $4.42. The normal for the month $5.12. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $4.75, change for October 15.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at $2.97. Greatest cost $3.69, least cost $2.97. The normal for the month $3.27. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $3.45, change for December 16.2%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $3.45. Most extreme cost $4.28, least cost $3.45. The normal for the month $3.80. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $4, change for January 15.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $4.00. Most extreme cost $4.85, least cost $4. The normal for the month $4.35. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $4.53, change for February 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $4.53. Most extreme cost $4.53, least cost $3.54. The normal for the month $4.10. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $3.81, change for spring 15.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place, cost at $3.81. Greatest cost $3.81, least cost $2.98. The normal for the month $3.45. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $3.20, change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at $3.20. Greatest cost $3.97, least cost $3.20. The normal for the month $3.52. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $3.71, change for May 15.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2026. At the outset, cost at $3.71. Most extreme cost $4.60, least cost $3.71. The normal for the month $4.08. Avalanche cost